Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back. This is Daily Trade Analysis with a quick market update for today, Monday, 9th of October. Starting the week, we got some big news during the weekend. On Saturday morning, Palestinian militant group Hamas bombarded Gaza Strip. And right now, breaking news, Israel orders total siege of Gaza and 9 Americans are affected. So basically, we are gapping down on the markets due to this issue of a big war maybe extending into the mid Europe. So be careful with that because this is going to affect volatility and also fears on the markets. Today we don't have any economic data, just Fed speaking. Tomorrow is more of the same. The only thing interesting, consumer inflation expectations, but more Fed talkings. And everything ahead, PPI on Wednesday and CPI on Thursday. So be really careful today because today is super volatile. This is the Let's start with the daily because if you saw my weekly recap on Sunday, really interesting video. This double bottom is, I think, is quite bullish. Following up with this big green candle on Friday. Where are we? Today we are bouncing off this range. This range is quite interesting, and as long as we are above this, everything looks bullish to me. Last week high is up here, 15,160, and the 30-minute chart today, this is the gap down that we got on Israel news, and we tried to do that to break into the gap, and we couldn't hold. We dropped down, and now we are entering. Be careful with this, but I think this has potential to break settlement and start pushing Friday's close and Friday's highs towards 15,200. I think that's a magnet. It may be quite difficult and volatile. As you can see, we started the day with move down, move up, move down, move up, move down. Then we broke this, and now we broke high of day. Now we are pushing, but the same as we pushed, the same as we retraced. So be really careful. Today is quite choppy and volatile. Yields are in the red, that's good. Dollar is still in the green, but quite weak. But the most important thing to know that might be bearish sentiment in the market is that crude oil is again 4% on the day. It's gapping up due to the things that are occurring in Israel. Everyone is talking about crude oil again pushing. Fundamental war means less crude oil offer, so higher demand, and the price will go higher. Right now, crude oil is 4% on the day. This was the gap up, and this was not touched again. When we went close, we are now pushing a little bit of higher lows. And I think fundamentally today it's quite choppy. Banks are all in the red. As you can see, small caps are 0.03. Both Nasdaq and S&Ps are in the red. And I think the only thing that might be bullish is this gap down. Markets freaked out on the news from this weekend, and perhaps a lot of shorts in this market, and we might squeeze them after Friday's push. But fundamentally, there's nothing, no news apart from the war, no technical, no economical, nothing. So be careful with your expectations because until Thursday and Friday, until Wednesday and Thursday, PPI and CPI data, I think this is going to be our market. So going up, going down, going up, and perhaps going down. So this market, I think it's not worth it's not worth. It's better, from my point of view, it's better to wait for the real news, to real economic data to come out and then see the reaction. So that's all from my side. As always, if you found this video useful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, because I upload videos every single day for market forecast, market updates and market recaps. I appreciate your time as always. If you didn't see my weekly recap video on Saturday, please give it a watch. I highly recommend going through it. It will provide you with a lot of interesting information from last week to be prepared for this week. So thank you for that. Thank you for all the views and all the support, and see you tomorrow. Stay safe, everyone.